Explaining an energy shift is equivalent to defining an internal intuition. You do not know how to put it into words, but it's a feeling nonetheless. It's a mix of emotions or an excess of them without having any specific underlying source. For example, on a tragic day, you might have already been experiencing a gut feeling that something is off. Instances like this are practically impossible to explain. You can't expect anyone to possibly ever imagine what's going on in your mind. However, you're not the only one who's ever experienced such feelings. What you've experienced is an energy shift, and there are many symptoms of energy shifts that help you identify its existence. From the simplest of the most complex things on Earth, we're all seen as perpetual energies. Our gut feelings are primarily defined as the moment we become synchronized with an underlying energy wave. This energy wave is a signal for an upcoming event. This might explain these intuitions. There are of course a few symptoms whenever we experience a change in energy shifts. There might be one symptom or possibly a collection of more than a few. Essentially, they're all characterized as out-of-the-ordinary sensations. Here are some symptoms of energy shifts. 1. Feeling anxious, depressed, or irritable, even though the circumstances are all in your favor. We'll start off with the most commonly felt symptom. The day is seemingly going exactly like you would have wanted it to, but for some unknown reason, you feel like it's all fake. You feel like there's something right around the corner ready to pounce on you when you let your guard down. This symptom is characterized by overthinking and overanalyzing a situation, cautiously taking every step on your journey because there's this underlying fear of something, even if nothing seems to be wrong. Your shift from a practical approach is your energy shifting from its normal state. We all have a normal energy state which we've gotten used to over a period. It's how we're characterized amongst friends and family. Hence, even the most happy-go-lucky person would seem off when his or her energy shifts. 2. Long periods of fasting followed by binge eating, a change from normalcy in our dietary conditions. When you're experiencing a different unexplainable sensation, you often find yourself doing things you wouldn't ordinarily. For example, you start binge eating chocolate, even though you've resolved to limit yourself from eating more than a piece, and now you're gulping down an entire bar. Similarly, you might find yourself refusing food altogether. You can't explain it as anything more than not being hungry, but at the same time, you're aware that you're limiting yourself for no particular reason. 3. Headaches and migraines. When the energy shift comes like a storm instead of periodically transitioning into your basic state, you'll experience severe headaches or migraines. It'll start off slowly and then gradually build up to extreme pain. You'll resort to numerous antibiotics and sympathetic relief measures, etc. Yet, the pain will not seem to go away. Therefore, symptoms of energy shifts are natural and experienced by quite a few people. The feeling may seem unexplainable, but there is an underlying explanation even to something such as intuition.